Imagine your man walks in with a 22-year-old Instagram model named Tiffany. She's staying forever. Be a big girl. You'd catch a felony, right? That's your toddler. He isn't evil. He just got replaced, and his world collapsed. He's filing a grievance. Then you go straight to medieval humiliation. Rikers-level timeouts while the baby stays loved and free. Then you demand a sorry. Congratulations, you just trained a high-quality liar. He's performing for his dinner while he's bleeding out inside. Forget the sorry. WWE block. Catch the hand, stone cold. I won't let you hit. Hitting hurts. Sit beside him. It's hard sharing me. You wish it was just us. Later, 10 minutes, no phone. Refill the tank before he burns the house down. He doesn't hate the baby. He's terrified you stopped loving him. Prove him wrong. That's the whole job.